So hi, how are you?
I'm from Vietnam.
How are you? I'm
From Nam.
I'm
From Nam.
how are you?
I'm Nathan.
Yeah. So what is your name?
I'm King.
Okay. And what is your hobby?
My name is Ball.
Yeah. So you like sports? Okay. So this is your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me please, where is he from?
He from Britain.
Yeah. Where's she from?
She from Japan.
Yeah.
He from Malaysia.
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 Yeah.
She from America.
Yeah.
She from Thailand.
From Thailand. Yeah. Very good. And could you tell me about Ken and his friends, please? So who is this?
Miss Linda.
Yeah.
I'm from America.
Very good. And who's this?
Alan. He from Australia.
Yeah.
He changed out.
Yeah.
I like the reason.
He likes drawing.
He's like those.
Drawing. Yeah. And who's this?
She from Singapore.
Yeah.
She changed out.
Yes.
She like cooking.
Very good. And who's this?
She like another out.
So yeah. Who is it?
Ken.
Ken.
She can another out.
Yeah.
He from Thailand.
Yeah.
He likes swimming.
Swimming. Yeah. Swimming. Yeah. Thanks. And could you tell me about some of these times, please? So what time is this?
It's 5:50.
5:50.
50.
Yeah. Good.
7:30.
7:30. Yeah.
9:15.
15. Yeah.
12 o'clock.
Very good. Thank you. And could you tell me about this daily routine, please? So what happens with the daily routine?
I get up.
I get up.
I wash my face.
Wash my face.
I wash my teeth.
Yeah.
I have breakfast.
Yep. I get dressed. Dressed. Yeah.
I go to school.
Yeah.
I husband.
Yeah.
I have
Dinner.
dinner.
Yeah.
I homework.
Yeah. I do my homework.
I do homework.
Yeah.
I go to bed.
Very good. Thank you. And could you tell me about your day, please? So what time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Yeah. What time do you go to school?
I go to at 6:15.
Yeah. What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast 6:30.
Very good. And what time do you normally go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Very good. Okay. Can you tell me what do you do on a Tuesday, please?
First, the ring
Yeah.
and football.
You play football. Very good. And what do you do on a Sunday?
Sunday, do homework and watch TV.
You watch TV. Very good. Thank you. Okay. So these are the months of the year. Okay. So you ready?
January, February, March,